Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will go over the top 5 mechanical tools in terms of price, performance, and other factors. Check out the description below for more information. Best overall, DEWALT DWMT72165. This 204-piece mechanical tool set provides users with a diverse set of tools to aid in the completion of most tasks. It comes in a tough blow mold case with metal latches for extra security, while its 72-tooth ratchet has a quick release button for easy socket attachment and removal. It has hard stamped markings on sockets and wrenches to help you identify mechanical tools. You will also receive a knurled ring for added control when handling sockets. This kit includes 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and a 1/2 inch SAE, with metric sockets, ratchets, extensions, universal joints, torque bits, hex bits, combination wrenches, and hex keys, so chances are you'll find what you're looking for. Finally, the primary ratchet, which can be used with any of the sockets included in the set, is the set's standout feature here. Best small set, Stanley STMT72165. This 145 mechanics tool set includes a complete selection of SAE and metric-sized sockets and drive tools. Its socket set combines the most commonly used tools for easy access. The Stanley drive tools, on the other hand, are made of high-quality steel and finished in high-polish nickel chrome or black chrome. Some of its ratchet handles are ergonomically designed and feature an easy-to-use reverse switch mechanism that is operated by the thumb. Aside from that, its sockets and extensions are locked onto the drive until they are disengaged by an easy-to-reach, low-profile, quick-release button. Also, its occupied max drive design, which includes a unique radius corner design, provides 15% more torque to easily tighten fasteners and simplify the turning of rounded corners. Best multipurpose, DEKOPRO 168. Crafted from high-quality steel and finished in high-polished chrome for strength, durability, and anti-corrosion protection, all of these tools are designed to meet or exceed ANSI critical standards. Actually, it includes all of the tools required for most minor repairs and basic do-it-yourself projects around the house, making it ideal for handymen, repairmen, construction workers, mechanics, and others. The set includes a wide range of professional-grade wrenches, ratchets, metric-sized sockets, and precision screwdrivers, as well as a hammer, tape measure, pliers, wrenches, and other tools. It comes with a 72-tooth ratchet that can be easily shifted to change direction with a 5-degree switch, while the soft grip handle included on the screwdriver, plier, stripper, and hammer provide excellent comfort and control. Best large set, Craftsman 450. This set is available in a variety of sizes and measurements, ensuring that you will always have what you need on hand. It comes with 3 quick-release ratchets with 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drives, while the 6 extension bars will assist you in extending your reach. You will also receive a 191 6-point, 8-point, and 12-point sockets in both inch and metric sizes. Its 16 combination wrenches allow you to get in where the ratchet won't, while its magnetic handle allows for a simple nut or bit installation. Best budget, MECHMAX. All of these tools are designed with the most important household tools for the home: house, garage, apartment, dorm, and more. They are heat treated and have a polished chrome plated finish to prevent corrosion. It can also provide hardness and torque for high performance with high strength, drop forge alloy steel, and heat treatment. This set includes a hammer, adjustable wrench, pliers, measuring tape, 3/4 inch, 3/8 inch drive ratchet handle, sockets, screwdriver bits, hex key wrenches, and more. Besides this, it also adds a sturdy blow molded case for easy tool storage, keeping tools safe in the house and good portability. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.